The game changer, bringing innovation with ease. Introducing the Google Pixelbook 2017, a high-performance Chromebook with the first ever built-in Google Assistant. This super thin, lightweight 4-in-1 design features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with 235 ppi Quad HD LCD, powered by a 7th-gen Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB SSD NVMe Express. With a 360-degree rotation flip design, fast-charging battery, and a minimum 4 to 5 hours of battery life, it's perfect for creating, playing, and doing more with all your favorite apps. Plus, enjoy Chrome OS upgrades available until June 2027. Whether you use it as a laptop to work or watch your favorite shows, fold it into a tablet, or stand it up, the Pixelbook's unibody design is incredibly thin and ready to go. Order now for just Rs 49,999 with cash on delivery available all over Pakistan, or opt for buy now pay later in 6 monthly installments for Bank Alfala credit card holders. The game changer, bringing innovation with ease. Please subscribe, like, bookmark, comment, and share.